It's GoPro Day.
Didn't win. The heck? What are you doing here?
Why do you look so bummed, bro?
Bro, we didn't win, man.
We didn't win?
No, man, we had an amazing day out in the water with incredible tricks and we still didn't win. You know what? Just watch the video. Welcome back to I'm Out Traveling. My name is Raul and today we're attempting to make a $1 million video. Talking about?
Yeah, bro, that was a really good video. But you know what? Next year we're gonna go big.
You know what? You're right. And I have some ideas too. Let's make it happen. Where do you go? You know what? GoPro $1 Million Challenge, we're on. Next year, 2021, we're gonna see you. I mean, we didn't win the video, man, the contest.
What am I supposed to say?
You're supposed to like interact. 2, 1. So you see what I'm talking about, man? Come on, bro. How did it fall through the couch? What the hell was that?